Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new here, please click on that subscribe button so you may be part of us. Don't forget to click that notification bell so you may be notified every time I upload a new video. If you are a returning subby, thank you so much. Mwah, 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 mwah. You are the best. You are a lifesaver. Please don't forget to comment down here so I may see you, so I may know you, so I can quickly rush to your channel as well and sub back. No man is an isle, we grow by lifting others. So I finally found the safest, easiest, quickest way of untying, washing, and blow drying my natural hair without any damage, without any breakage, without any loss at all. Nothing, zero. So this is my natural hair. It is so beautiful, as you can see. It is so healthy and wealthy. I've been using my products for quite some time now. My hair is so thin in its natural form. It is so thin, so thin and fluffy. And I was tired of such. I needed something that can give me confidence. I needed to add that volume, and I couldn't find the products. I had been struggling since I was a child with such hair. So I I opted for my own. I did my own researches. I did few courses here and there, and I created my own. Look at that. Look at my hair. It is so beautiful. It is so full now. It is so full, and I don't have any breakages. My hair doesn't break at all now. The ends don't break. You can see as well the hairline. It is so fresh. It is so beautiful. And yeah, I'll pin down the products down here once they are ready. I'll return to this video and all other videos that will follow, and I will pin down my products once they are ready for purchase. I'm still waiting for a few things to be done. And yes, that is my hair. Look at it. Look at that. Oh my God. It is so beautiful. So if you're struggling with thin hair, if you're struggling with hair breakage, if you're struggling with hairline breakage, you already know I am your girl. Once my products are out, I will let you guys know so that you may purchase and help me as I help you. So this is the hair piece that I had on my head. I had cornrows, I think about 8 or 9, and they had about 2 weeks. So I just thought, let me not just waste away this hair piece, because if you love hair like me, you'll understand that we don't just throw away hair piece like that. No, it doesn't happen. So I felt, let me just try something new with it, and you'll see what. So this is me. When you do yours, when you try to untie your own, please try to be a bit slower. Don't be too quick. I'm quick because I'm used to this, but we don't want any faults that may ruin the hairpiece. And this is my hair. I just brushed it back. I did not use any gel on it. It is natural like this, as you can see it. And this is the hairpiece. I used 2 ribbons to tie it up into a beautiful pondo. I tied my hair back, and this is what I got. Oh my God, look at that. It is so elegant, so classy, so ladyish, so beautiful. It is so me. I'm a lady. I love things that can speak volumes, yet they are so quiet, like this hairstyle. It is so beautiful and natural. Look at my hairline. It is so strong. And at the front here, I just parted a bit of my hair just touched it and folded it into a knot and used a pin. Thank you so much for watching. Let's meet again on my next video.